let us discuss transformation of degree. So we know degree degrees are of three kinds: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative. So today we can transform superlative to comparative, superlative to comparative. And we must use we must follow some structure here. If the sentence superlative degree in that structure, subject plus verb plus D, subject plus verb plus D, then the adjective must take ST or EST, or if there is, or before adjective there is most, before adjective. So, and the after ST or ST there is a part others and full stop. If we want to transform superlative degree to comparative, then we must remember this structure. Superlative degree begins with subject, then verb, then after verb there will be the, and the adjective will be in the superlative form. We know superlative form takes ST or EST, or before adjective it takes most. If there is syllable, more than one syllable, then it takes most. It is in the superlative form. So, and then other words will be there. So this is the structure of superlative form, and we will make it comparative, or we will transform it comparative. So the subject will be the same, the verb will be the same, the verb is also here, and after verb the adjective come, and it will take R or ER. If there is ST after adjective, so it will take R, but if there is EST, then it will take ER. But if before the adjective there is most, then before the adjective there will be more. There will be more, and after adjective, this is comparative form. The adjective takes R or ER, and after adjective then we will use then any other or all other or most other. Then the others will put here. Now I repeat the structure again. If the superlative degree, we know the superlative structure of superlative degree, thus begins with subject, then verb, then the, and the adjective is in the superlative form as it takes ST or EST, or if there is no EST, so before it there is most, so it is in the superlative degree, and after superlative degree there will be other words. so it is superlative, it is in the superlative degree. So now we will make it comparative, we will transform it into comparative. So subject will be the same, subject will be here, verb will be here, then after verb the adjective will be here, and removing the est we will add r or er after the adjective, or if there is most we will put before the adjective more. Then this is comparative degree, and then after comparative degree we must use then any other or then all other, then any other or then all other, or most other, and the other part will be here. And we must remember, if there is one of after the verb, there is one of after the verb, before the there is one of. So if there is one of, then we must use all other or most other, all other or most other, most other, that, but any other. And if there is no one of, there is no one of, then we use any other. So if there is all other, most other, then one of, if there is after verb there is one of, then we use then all other or most other. Now see the structure. Now see the some example here. Shumon is the tallest boy in the class. Here we see the structure. Shumon subject, then is verb, then the, then tall, and tall takes ing, est, tall takes est, so it is in the superlative degree, and then others. This is a part. Subject, then verb, then the, then adjective takes est, and it is in the superlative form. So, and after superlative form there will be some words there, and we will transform it into comparative degree. So Shumon will be Shumon, and verb will be the same, is, and the tallest will be changed into taller. The verb takes er as it is in the comparative form. So here est will be changed, and the adjective takes er, and then we must use then any other, and after the superlative degree the word will be the same here, boy in the class. But if there is one of, so another example we will show. Rumon is one of the brightest students in the class. So here we found one of. So in that case one of will be instead of one of we must use then all other or then most other. So Rumon and after subject there will be verb is, so room on is, and superlative degree will be the comparative form brightest, so brighter. So Rumon is one of the brightest students in the class. Rumon is brighter, and after this is in the comparative form, year, it takes year, adjective takes year, so after comparative then we must use then all other, as there is one of, so then all other, and after then all other, then students in our students in the class. Rumon is brighter than all other students in the class. This is superlative to comparative, and it will be vice versa. So comparative to superlative also it is the same. Now let's see superlative to positive degree. Superlative to positive degree, and the superlative degree structure is subject, the superlative degree structure is subject, then verb, then the, then adjective takes st or est, or est, then, or if there is no est, then it will before it most, adjective takes most before it, adjective, and after, and this is in the superlative form, and after the superlative form there will be some other words there. So it is in the superlative degree. The structure is now in the superlative degree, and we must transform into positive by following some rules and techniques, and so if we want to make it positive, this superlative degree into positive, then we must use no other, begin with no other or very few, no other or very few. We must begin the sentence with no other or very few. If before the or after the verb there is one of, we must use very few. Very few is the plural form. We must use plural form. So we must remember this. So the sentence begins, must begin, that positive degree, the positive degree must begins with no other or very few, then comes, then the other words will come as subject, then verb will be after the subject, and then the will be changed in lieu of the we must use here s, and then adjective will be at the positive form. So st or st, it will not take st or st or most, so it will be in the positive form, and after the adjective there will be an s, and before adjective s, adjective s. So before it will take s, and after it will take s, and then subject will come at the end, and it is subject. Subjective, it must be in the subjective form. Subjective form. This is the exercise. I repeat, if superlative degree structure, this is the superlative degree structure, and we must follow the structure, and by following this rule we must transform into positive by following this structure. So the positive degree begins with no other or very few. If there is one of, we must begin the sentence with very few. But if there is one of, no one of, so no other, we must begin the sentence with the positive degree with no other. Then subject and others, after that the words after the adjective will be the subject here. Then verb will come here after subject, and then the will be changed into s. The will be changed into s, and then adjective will be in the positive form, and after adjective there will be another s. So before adjective there will be an s, and there will be after there will be an s, and the subject will be after the s. So this is the structure of positive degree. Now see the example. Suman is the best boy in the class. So we must begin the, this is superlative degree, this is in the superlative degree, this sentence is now in the superlative degree, so we must begin the positive degree with no other, and there is other word, this will be the subject, boy in the class, boy in the class. Suman is the best boy in the class, so no other, boy in the class, and after this word, after this subject, there will be verb is, and here is the, so it will be as s, and best is in the superlative degree, so the positive degree of the best is good, and this is the positive degree, superlative degree, and good is the positive degree of best. So good, after good there is also an s, and that, and lastly Suman. So Suman is the best boy in the class, so the positive degree no other, boy in the class is s, best will be good, and after good there will be a s, so no other boy in the class is as good as Suman. Another example we can see here, Rumi is one of the Rumi is one of the tallest girls in the class. So here is one of, so we must begin the sentence with very few. So positive degree begins with very few. So very few, and then tallest is the superlative degree. So after tallest there will be, there are some words there. These will come here. So very few girls in the class. In the class, and very few as it is the plural form, so is will be changed into plural form are. very few girls in the class. Is a singular form and Rumi is there, so very few takes the verb of plural form. So are and very few girls in the class are, then tallest, it will be positive degree tall, as tall, as tall as Rumi. So the superlative degree is Rumi is one of the tallest girl in the class, and the positive degree is very few girls in the class are as tall as Rumi. We can explain it as there is one of, so we must begin the sentence very few. We must begin the sentence very few. So very few, after very few, the words of the after the superlative degree there are some words, these will become here. So girls in the class, and very few, then girls in the class, then comes verb, and verb is in the singular form, but as there is very few, so the verb will be in the plural form. So verb is will be changed into are, and then superlative degree will be changed into positive, and it takes before the positive degree it takes s, and after it takes s. So and then the subject will be after s. So as Rumi. So Rumi is one of the tallest girl in the class. The positive degree is very few girls in the class are as tall as Rumi. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video.